If you ask for this from your nail tech, your appointment's getting canceled and you're getting blocked. Like, I'm sure you've seen this nail design all on TikTok, and I did it. Well, not originally, because I saw it from this page, but I'm gonna show you guys how you can do it at home too. Very beginner friendly. First step is the chrome base. I'm gonna take a non-wipe top coat and put it over the entire nail. Make sure it's a thin, even layer. Emphasis on thin because this nail design has a lot of layers to it. Cure for 30 seconds. You want an Aurora chrome. I don't know which one I'm going for. This one's more pink purple leaning and this one is more green blue. I think in the video it's leaning more towards the pink purple, so I'm gonna use this one. Make sure that sponge is saturated and go directly on top. Okay, it's already coming together. Dust it away. And now we're moving on to the holographic nail design part. You want to look for a chunky holographic nail polish and then evenly disperse it. Cure for 30 seconds. Now you want to get out your actual holographic flakes. You can skip this step if you want, but I want it to look extra sparkly in the light. So I'm going to add it to different parts of the nail. And it's going to stick to that sticky inhibition layer of the uncured gel on top. Make sure it's all flat. Should look something like this. Now we're gonna do some chrome isolation. If you have these nail charms, you don't need this step. I just need something to draw the holographic rectangles with, so I'm gonna use my holographic silver chrome. Cure for 1 minute. I'm gonna use this Beetles brush set. It all comes in a little bag and has a nail palette, brush set, and a nail stand. I needed a new palette. For chrome isolation, I mixed together 1 part black polish to 3 parts top coat. The black is so I can see what I'm drawing. The top coat is so that the chrome is reflective and not glittery. I'm gonna space out some polka dots that I'm gonna later turn into rectangles. For polka dots, make sure it's not in the same line. You wanna go in between and then follow it down. The best part is these rectangles don't have to be perfect because the Aurora foil on top is gonna kind of be the focal point of the nail. So from this point, just drag down rectangle shape. Again, if you have those charms, use them. Like, don't do this step. Cure for 30 seconds. Okay, now time for the holographic chrome. Moment of truth. Ooh, that sound effect is so unnecessary. But this looks really good actually. Brush it all away. And that is how you isolate chrome, for those who didn't know before. Top coat this nail to seal this chrome in because we're gonna do the foil on top of this. Cure for 1 minute. So this is actually my first time using these foils, so we're gonna learn this together. I'm gonna go for this oval one. I'm guessing you just poke it out. Okay, yeah, you just poke it out. Gonna take some rhinestone glue and do it directly in the center. I think I wanna put 2 foils on low-key because this nail is a little big. Okay, let's see. Press it down. Oh, that's nice. Okay, that's super easy to do. I'm definitely gonna add another one on top of this to like elongate it. Okay, so the foil is still sticking up. You can see it from the side. So a little hack is to take a plastic bag, then press it down, and then it can be cured in place. Make sure it's how you like it though. Now cure the foil on top of it. And when you take it off, it should be all nice and flat. Cure for 1 minute. Now take a builder gel and try and level out the entire nail. This step is really crucial because it has a lot of bumps in it from everything we've done, so make sure not to skip this step. Cure for 1 minute, wipe with alcohol. Now I'm gonna even out the surface even more. I swear the reveal will be worth this. The reveal, ooh, this looks like an opal kind of, like a stone. Cure for a minute. This is the completed nail. Let me do it in different lighting so you get the full effect. Let me know what you guys think.